This video I will explain the difference between Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Now we will see what is Google Ads. Google Ads shows your ads to people who are actively searching for something on Google. Simple meaning, people already want or need something and your ad appears at that moment. For example, someone types AC repair near me. Your repair shop ad appears. Important concept. Search based advertising. Ads appear when people search. High intent. User is ready to take action. Pay per click. You pay only when someone clicks. Now we will see what is Facebook ads. Facebook ads shows your ads to people while they are scrolling social media like Facebook or Instagram. Simple meaning. People are not searching. Your ad creates interest. For example, someone is scrolling Instagram and sees your ad for new clothing store. Important concepts. Interest based advertising. Ad shows based on likes and behavior. Low to medium intent. User may buy later. Visual ads. Images and videos work best. Now we will see the main difference. Google Ads shows if user searching for something. Facebook Ads shows if user browsing social media. Buying intent of Google Ads is very high. Buying intent of Facebook ad is low to medium. Google Ads are best for immediate sales. Facebook ads are best for brand awareness. Google ads cost is usually higher. Facebook ads cost is usually lower. Ad type of Google ads are text and video. Ad type of Facebook ads are image and video. Result speed is fast for Google ads. Result speed is slow but steady for Facebook ads. Now we will see how people think on each platform. In case of Google ads, it is like I have a problem, I need a solution now. In case of Facebook ads, it is like I am relaxing, show me something interesting. This difference is very important. You can choose Google ads if people already search for your service. Your business solves an urgent problem. You want a quick leads or calls. You can choose Facebook ads if you want people to discover your brand. Your product is new or visual. You have a small budget. Now we will see best advice for beginners. Start with Facebook ads to learn and test. Use Google ads when you want ready to buy customers. Best results often come from using both together. Now we will see the summary. Google ads capture people who are ready to buy. Facebook ads introduce your business to new people.